In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop photos like a pro using Lightroom. Whether you're using the cloud, web, or desktop version, these instructions will guide you through the process seamlessly. So, let's dive straight into editing those images. First, open up the photo you want to work on in Lightroom. This preliminary step is crucial because having your image loaded and ready ensures you can jump right into the process without any hitches. As you open your image, you might want to take a moment to visually frame what you intend to crop, as this will guide your decisions moving forward. Now, navigate to the Crop and Rotate tool. This tool is fundamental when cropping because it allows you to reshape the boundaries of your photo in line with your creative vision. On the interface, you'll see a suite of options, but for our focus today, head straight to the Crop panel. In this panel, you will find the Aspect Ratio drop-down menu. It's often labeled as Aspect or something similar, and it will be your go-to for refining the shape and proportions of your image. Within this drop-down menu, you'll have preset ratios to choose from, such as 1:1:1, 4:5, or 16:9. These presets are quite handy if you're targeting standard display sizes for different platforms. For instance, a 1:1 ratio works well for Instagram posts, whereas a 16:9 is excellent for widescreen displays. If the preset options don't fit your needs, simply select Custom. This feature is particularly useful if you have specific dimensions in mind for your project. Once you've chosen your desired ratio, it's time to adjust the crop box. You'll do this by dragging the handles around the image until it's cropped to your satisfaction. This part of the process allows you to hone in on the most compelling parts of your photo, ensuring that your composition is as effective as possible. Sometimes, you may find yourself needing to switch between portrait and landscape orientations. You can achieve this by flipping the ratio. In some versions of Lightroom, you might be able to press a key like X to toggle the orientation. Alternatively, simply select the ratio and rotate the crop box manually until you achieve the desired orientation. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your image looks, it's time to apply or save the crop. On screen, you'll find an option labeled Done or something similar. Clicking it will lock in all the adjustments you've made, sealing your artwork for sharing or further editing. By following these steps, you'll master cropping in Lightroom in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.